like the earth before the rain. No need for loud confessions. Love can live without a name. You move through light and shadow like you always understood. Some things are meant to be protected simply because they're good. So I hold it gently, every fragile breath, every silent heartbeat under my chest. No chains, no claiming, no need to own, just standing close to what feels like home. There's beauty in the untamed, in what refuses to be mine. A softness in the wild things that teaches me to be kind. I don't need to conquer, I don't need control. Sometimes the strongest love is letting something be whole.